Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you a wonderful micro RC FPV car called the Just Air Q25 from the brand SNT. This little car may be small, but it is really amazing. First of all, we are going to take a quick look at the packaging. Here you can see the back with all the details. Freeze the image if you want to know more. Okay, it's time to open the box. First we have two instruction manuals, and some awesome custom stickers. Next we find a nice keychain and a charging cable. Further inside the box we find the most important thing, the RC car itself, of course. Let's take a closer look at it. To drive this little car, of course, we need this remote control. Finally, at the very bottom of the box we find two ramps for pulling off some cool stunts. And also very important, the goggles. Included with these are some cables and antennas, which we will use later in the video. Before we can start racing, the little car has to be charged. We also see that the controller needs 3 batteries, but they are already included, which of course is great. One last step is powering up the little car, the controller, which we connect to the little car, and the goggles. Now that everything is in place, it's time for action. I've tested this little RC car for a few days now and I am extremely satisfied with it. A regular RC car is cool, but the goggles and the fact that this car is so small makes everything a lot cooler. You can play with it any time of day, just indoors, even in bad weather. So if you're looking for a nice gift for Thanksgiving or Christmas, be sure to check out the first link in the description. There you will find additional information, photos and videos.